A high temperature limit switch set too low can cause premature shutoff that prevents systems from completing required cycles and can damage equipment or safety controls. When a limit switch cuts off too early, the system cannot reach the temperatures needed for proper processes, and this creates incomplete cycles and reduced efficiency. Check the manufacturer's recommended cutoff point, which is typically around 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and reset the switch to that range using the device's adjustment screw or control panel setting to restore normal operation. Always power down and follow lockout procedures before adjusting so you do not create an electrical hazard, and verify calibration with an independent thermometer at the equipment outlet after adjustment. Document the original setting and the change you make so future technicians understand the correction and can troubleshoot recurring issues more quickly. If the switch is mechanical and shows stickiness or inconsistent readings, replace the sensor or the entire assembly rather than repeatedly readjusting it. For systems that control safety critical functions, consult the equipment manual and, when required, arrange a follow-up inspection by a qualified technician to confirm that both control and safety circuits operate correctly. Common mistakes include assuming the switch is faulty when the set point is simply too low, which leads to unnecessary replacements. Double check and adjust settings before buying parts. Another issue is tampering beyond manufacturer limits, which can disable safety margins, so always reset within recommended ranges and avoid permanent modifications. A third concern is not verifying the adjustment with an accurate thermometer, which lets problems persist. Measure outlet temperature after adjustment and run a full cycle to confirm proper operation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to discover work opportunities in their area. We also host an active discussion community where we and our members share real-world experiences and practical tips related to system setup and troubleshooting.